Welcome back to another knitting lesson, lesson 4. Today we're going to be learning the purl stitch. This is the second stitch that's found in most knitting patterns. You have your knit stitch, which was last video, and your purl stitch, which is this video. So I have 5 stitches on my needle just to keep it easy. So for purling, what we're going to do, instead of going up and to the back with our right hand needle, we're going to go down and to the front. So if we're going to do the first stitch here, we're going to go down to the front. We're going to take our working yarn, we're going to wrap it around the needle on the right hand side so it's still in the front, just like when you do knit stitch. Then we're going to push the needle up through the stitch and we're going to slide it off the left hand side. So that's one purl stitch. So again, you're going to go down into the front, wrap your yarn around, go up through the same stitch and push it off of the left hand hook. Needle. So I'm going to go in, around, up, push, in, around, up, push. And we're going to do that till we get to the end of the row. There we go. So I have five stitches still. So same thing we do with knitting, we're going to switch hands. So now our working is still on the left here, and we're going to do the same thing all over again. I'm going to put the needle in, wrap it around, push off, in, around, push off. And get a little closer, in, around, so you're going to go up, push off, in, around, push off. Then we get to the end of this row again. Still have 5 stitches. I'll do one more row. In, around, push off, in, around, push off, around, push off, in, around, push off. All right, so let's take a look at the stitches here. So it's gonna look the same as if you do all knit stitches. So it's gonna have the alternating bumps going all the way across for each row. And that's what purl stitch is. So next lesson, lesson 5, we'll do stockinette stitch, which is most commonly used for garments and for a lot of blankets. So until then, I hope you learned something and I hope you have a great day. Happy knitting!